Hi, my name is Lori, and I just want to share a little bit about my experience in working with Crawl Space Ninja. Back in December of 17, I became very, very sick, and it's unlike me to do so. I was sick for 6 weeks, missed 6 weeks of work, and I just wasn't getting better. My daughter-in-law suggested I have my crawl space inspected, and I didn't know anything about doing such a thing, and I didn't even know for what. And she said, well, just let them check and make sure your house isn't what's making you sick. So I contacted Crawl Space Ninja, and they came out here and talked me through the process, and I thought that sounded amazing. Let's do this. When they got partway through starting to remove the insulation in our crawl space, they found that we had extensive damage to our subfloor, our floor joist, and our master bath. Unbeknownst to us, it was so extensive. Matter of fact, we were told don't even walk in on the floor anymore in the master bath. We had to have some work redone to our home, and then Crawl Space Ninja was able to come out and continue the work. And it was a wonderful experience for us because health has improved immensely. They talked us through every step of the process. It was amazing. It was wonderful. My husband and I both learned so much about what we should do to maintain that part of our home, and we had always felt like we had done everything to stay on top of our home. We're very pleased with the work. The crew was amazing. Patrick especially, he took the time to show us everything he was doing, talk us through, answer all our questions. Michael, the owner, came out, made sure we were extremely happy with everything they had done, and we just couldn't be more pleased.